In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Level 2. Level 2, also called Market Depth, lets you see the live order book, the prices and sizes where buyers and sellers are lining up. It gives you a feel for liquidity, potential support and resistance, and how the market is leaning in the very short term. To open the Level 2 view in Sierra Chart, go to the top menu and select File, then Open Market Depth window. A small prompt appears where you choose the symbol you want to view. Type or select the symbol, confirm it, and the market depth window will load for that instrument. Once it's open, you'll see a price ladder down the middle, with bids on one side and asks on the other. The best bid and best ask sit closest to the current trading price, and deeper levels extend away from the middle. Sizes represent the total quantity resting at each price level, often aggregated from multiple orders. As the market updates, you'll watch those numbers change in real time, adding, reducing, or disappearing entirely as orders are placed, pulled, or filled. Use this window to spot imbalances. For example, if you see noticeably larger sizes on the bid side than on the ask side near the current price, that can indicate potential short-term support. Conversely, a stack of large offers overhead may act as resistance. Keep in mind, though, that orders can move or cancel quickly. Market depth reflects intent, not a guarantee, so treat it as context rather than a standalone signal. If the window appears empty or incomplete, it usually means your data feed doesn't provide full depth for that symbol, or you're not connected to the data service. Futures typically provide robust depth, while some equities feeds may limit how much you can see. Also check that the exact symbol format matches what your data provider expects, as slight differences can prevent data from loading correctly. As you watch the ladder, focus on how levels behave as price approaches them. Do large sizes hold firm, or do they pull away? Do new orders stack up quickly behind a move showing momentum, or does liquidity thin out? These behaviors help you gauge the conviction behind price action. Many traders also compare what they see in Level 2 with recent trades to understand whether liquidity is being absorbed or aggressively hit. That's the essentials. Open the market depth window from File, choose your symbol, and use the live order book to read liquidity and short-term pressure. With practice, Level 2 becomes a powerful lens into the microstructure behind every tick.